Welcome back to the channel. Coming at you from Mackinac Island, Michigan. Bam, there it goes. So this bike isn't my bike. It's a bike I rented here, and rented two bikes for my kids. It's $18 for an hour and $16 for every hour after that. So pretty good deal. Let's take a look at this bike. It's a Track Verve 2. Gigantic seat, super comfy for one of these upright bikes. Comes with a nice front basket, some Planet Bike fenders front and rear, and it is a 3x8 drivetrain, Shimano Altus. So it does its job. Also comes with a free bottle of water. So that's cool. Hey, right on. There are stops all the way around the island. You can pull off. Plenty of public land around here you can pull off and hang out at the beach, throw some rocks, do whatever, drink coffee, hang a hammock. Seen all that. And then halfway through there is a restroom area and snack shop. So it's at British Landing. But yeah. So we're going to ride the 8 miles around the island. So come ride along with us on Mackinac Island. Let's go for a ride. Alright, so here we are after renting our bikes from the bike shop and heading out on what's basically the main street of Mackinac Island. And right now it's fairly early in the morning, so it's not super busy, but this street can get extremely congested later in the afternoon. And as we're riding down Lakeshore Drive here, or Main Street as I call it, Lakeshore Drive is actually the highway that goes all the way around the shore of the island. It's 8.2 miles long, but what's really neat about it is it's actually a state highway, a Michigan state highway. It's M-185 and it's maintained by the Michigan Department of Transportation, and it holds the distinction as being the only bike-only highway, state highway in the United States. So that's pretty cool. Bikes everywhere.
So yeah, the further away from you get from town, the more people you're going to lose on this path.
Sorry, we're waiting for you guys.
And we just passed the 2-mile marker. This is a little over 8 miles all the way around the island. Once you get a ways out of the main town, traffic really dwindles off. And as the further away you get, it really drops off. Everyone likes to hang out by the shore. Lake Huron. And in case you make it halfway around and you need some food or drinks or restrooms, you have it about at the halfway point. All along the trail here, or the road, the highway, I see bikes parked, and there's little side trails where everyone's hiking in. I don't know what's there. There is some signage letting you know, but I'm not stopping, just out for a nice ride. There is a hill on this route. Not too bad at all, but it's definitely not all flat. Mostly, but not all. And in case you want to buy a home, there's one for sale right on the lake. Bet you it's cheap. There's your mile marker. Mile 4 already. With all the horses, it's good to have these Planet Bike fenders on here. I've seen every bike except the kids' bikes come with the full fenders, front and rear. Definitely comes in handy. Keep stuff from spraying up your back. Just past the mile 7 marker. And yes, Mackinac Island does have a public school. We are coming back into the city, if you want to call it that. I look like a rat. On your left. Carriage museum up here. Next to the golf course up here in the hill. And Mackinac Island State Park up here. It's the replica of the old fort. Come by, horsey.
And that'll do it for our ride around Mackinac Island. Here we are riding down Main Street again, trying to find the correct rental bike shop to return our bikes to, since there are so many rental shops up and down this strip. So I just wanted to say thanks for riding along with us. Thanks for watching this one. And please like, subscribe, comment, do all the things. Thank you guys. Until the next adventure.
All right, finally found the correct bike shop.